You know, one thing I love about Steve is his energy. You know, when you're young like he is, he just brings great energy to the business. You know, he has great communication skills, great verbal skills. Those will always be with you in our business. He's a very strong Catholic man. He's a good Catholic young man who loves his faith, and with the Knights of Columbus, faith is so important because we work with our church leaders and our priests and religious. So he's got all those tools, and you know, I really believe you know, those will be the things that will, you know, keep him and sustain him in the years ahead. He begins and he sets up his business, and he's working with clients that he will work with for a lifetime, ensuring their young families, ensuring them through the middle part of their life, and then also when they become seniors. He will be there for them throughout those years. And so as a young man, I would think it'd be so satisfying to watch these people and their families grow, work with them, and help them secure their financial issues and crises that will come upon every family.